Hey guys, sitting next to me is a 1968 International 1100C. This truck came from the factory with a 304, but right now we've got a 345 in it. And what we're going to do in this video series is see if we can get this thing back on the road. So, we got most of it cleaned up. Well, I think she'll clean right up. Look at the size of that clutch pedal. And we are missing a gas pedal. Didn't see that coming. All right, well, we'll find it. It's got to be here somewhere. So, I hope nothing in there is important, because that's full of water. And I gotta drain this sucker. So, I am thinking if I can lift without getting bit witter. Yeah, I don't trust putting my hand down there, but I'm gonna do it anyways. That's how you wash the truck bed. Dear Lord. Well, there's a carburetor. Hopefully, the one we needed. see. Fuel pump. Beautiful. Still works. That thing's good to go. Slap that baby on. Let's looky here. That's a Holly. At least none of the seals will be dried up. So I think we're good there too. You know, Ford Broncos make an excellent parts stand, especially when they're not running. Let's see. Yeah, I'd say that's toasty. And well, the good news is that the clutch master cylinder is not in here. So that means it is somewhere else. And if it's not in here and it's somewhere else, it probably means it doesn't look like that or that. So I think we might be okay. Well, let's get this cleaned up anyways. I'm gonna need 2 hands. Let's get this thing washed. So we're gonna get her cleaned up and get her over to the wash bay so that I can get underneath her, and I don't want to do that because there are a crud ton of spiders, black widows, daddy, I don't care. I'm worried about the black widows. So yeah, so let's get to work. Alright you guys, that about does it for the day. Got her all washed up here. I'm going to pull her back and go park her again. And don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you guys do not miss another minute of this truck and the transformation that is about to happen. Thank you so much, and have a great day.